Hello guys, welcome back to LT Education. So in our previous video, we have defined the counting rule. So in this video, we will be assigning our counting rule to the absence type so that the link between absence and absence quota can be created. Okay. So what we did first we have defined the absence type. After that, we have defined the absence quota type. After defining the absence quota type, we have defined the deduction rule, and in that we have aligned the absence quota to deduction rule. So we have assigned our absence quota to deduction rule. So in the previous video, we have created the counting rule, and we have assigned that deduction rule into our counting rule. So now what I will be doing, I will be assigning the counting rule to my absence type, so the link between them, between absence and absence quota, can be created. So what we have to do first, we have to go to SPRO. Recipe reference IMG, then time management, time data recording and administration. There you will find absences. Under absence, you will go to absence catalog. Under absence catalog, you will be going to absence counting. Under absence counting, we have already defined the counting class for our period work schedule. And under the absence counting rule, we have defined our counting rule. So here, after defining the counting rule, you can see there is one more tab, assign counting rule to absence tab. Okay, so we'll click on execute, and here we will be seeing what is the table. Table is p underscore 554 h underscore q to assign our counting rule to the absence type. Okay, now I will find my absence type, that is under PSC 10 I have created. I think the number is 1000. Yeah, annually. Okay. So what I'll do, I will click on this and the counting rule which I have created. I will click on the F4 and what is the name I have given? One under PSC grouping was 1 and PSC was 10. Okay, so I think this is the one which we have created, annual leave counting rule. Okay, I will click on this one. Okay, then I will select the quota deduction. We want the quota to be deducted uh, when the employee takes the annual leave. Okay, then the quota that is linked to that annual leave will get deducted. Okay, I will click on save. So that's how we assign our counting rule to our absence type. Under table, we underscore 554 s underscore q. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you have a great day. Bye. Take care.